Welcome to Healing Path. Today's message is all about gut health because your digestive system is the foundation of energy, strength, and vitality, no matter your age. Many seniors believe slowing down is simply part of life, but the truth is you have the power to feel younger, lighter, and more vibrant by taking care of your gut. Your gut is like a control center. When it's strong, it nourishes your body, supports your immune system, sharpens your mind, and even uplifts your mood. But when it's neglected, it can lead to fatigue, poor digestion, and a feeling of heaviness that makes daily life harder than it should be. The good news is you can begin healing at any age. So simple changes. Add more fiber, rich foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains to your meals. These are natural fuels for the good bacteria in your gut. Drink plenty of water to keep digestion smooth and flush out toxins. Include probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, or fermented vegetables, because they help restore balance and bring new life to your digestive system. Movement is medicine. Even a short walk after meals helps your digestion and strengthens your body. Gentle stretches or light exercises keep circulation flowing and support your gut to work the way it should. You don't need intense workouts. Consistency in small steps makes the biggest difference. Your mindset also matters. Stress, worry, and negative thoughts can upset your digestive balance. Take time each day to breathe deeply, relax, and focus on gratitude. A calm mind supports a healthy gut, and a healthy gut supports a youthful body. This is your path to energy and wellness. No matter your age, you can choose healing foods, gentle movement, and a positive spirit. When your gut is cared for, your whole body thrives. Stay committed, believe in your strength, and let your health journey keep you youthful and full of life. Gut health is often called the foundation of overall wellness because it directly affects how much energy, vitality, and strength you feel each day. For older adults, this becomes even more important, since the digestive system naturally slows down with age, making it harder to absorb nutrients efficiently. When your gut is healthy, it doesn't just help you digest food, it transforms that food into fuel that powers your muscles, sharpens your mind, and supports every cell in your body. A strong digestive system ensures that the vitamins and minerals you eat actually reach your bloodstream, giving you the nourishment needed to stay active and energetic. When your gut is struggling, you might feel tired, sluggish, or heavy, even if you believe you are eating well. This shows just how powerful and central the gut really is to your health. A balanced gut also plays a major role in protecting your immune system. Nearly 70% of your body's defense system is connected to the digestive tract, which means a healthy gut can help shield you from common illnesses, infections, and inflammation that tend to increase with age. It's not just about preventing sickness, it's about keeping your body resilient so you can enjoy life with less discomfort and more freedom. Beyond physical health, research has shown that gut health also affects mood and clarity of thought. The gut and brain are connected through a strong communication network, and when your gut is balanced, your mental outlook is often brighter and calmer. This creates a ripple effect where good digestion leads to better energy, better sleep, and a more positive attitude toward daily life. For seniors, nurturing gut health truly means nurturing youthfulness, strength, and a renewed sense of vitality. A fiber-rich diet is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining a healthy gut, especially as you grow older. Fiber works like a natural cleanser, helping food move smoothly through the digestive system and preventing the discomfort of constipation, which becomes more common with age. It also feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, creating a thriving environment where good microbes can flourish and support digestion. Fresh fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains are excellent sources of this nourishment, and each serving contributes to a healthier digestive balance. When your gut bacteria are strong, they help break down food more effectively, produce essential vitamins, and protect your body from harmful invaders that cause illness or inflammation. Adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or other fermented vegetables takes this process even further. These foods introduce living, beneficial bacteria into your digestive system, replenishing what may have been lost due to age, stress, or medications. Together, fiber and probiotics work hand in hand, creating a balanced microbiome that keeps your gut resilient. Drinking enough water is equally important because it allows fiber to do its job properly and keeps digestion smooth and efficient. For older adults, these dietary changes not only improve gut health, but also directly influence energy levels, mental clarity, and immunity. A balanced diet rich in natural, wholesome foods reduces bloating, improves nutrient absorption, and stabilizes blood sugar, all of which are vital for long-term vitality. Even small, consistent changes, like choosing brown rice instead of white, adding an apple as a daily snack, or enjoying a serving of yogurt, can lead to meaningful improvements. is by nourishing your gut with fiber, probiotics, and hydration, you give your body the foundation it needs to stay energetic, active, and youthful from the inside out. Movement is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support gut health and overall wellness, especially as the body ages. When you stay physically active, even with gentle exercises, you encourage better circulation, which delivers nutrients and oxygen to every part of the body, including the digestive system. Walking after meals is a particularly effective habit because it helps food move smoothly through the intestines, preventing the sluggishness and discomfort that often come with slower digestion in later years. Light stretching or chair exercises also stimulate core muscles and abdominal organs, giving your gut the gentle push it needs to function efficiently. The beauty of movement is that it doesn't require intense effort to produce results. Just 15 to 20 minutes of daily walking can strengthen the digestive process, reduce bloating, and keep energy levels steady throughout the day. Regular activity also helps maintain a healthy weight, lowers the risk of chronic diseases, and improves balance and flexibility, all of which contribute to an easier, more independent lifestyle. Exercise has the added benefit of reducing stress, which directly supports gut health since stress hormones can disrupt digestion and upset the balance of good bacteria. By staying active, you not only keep your gut in harmony but also create a calm, steady rhythm in both body and mind. Consistency matters more than intensity. Choosing to move a little every day builds habits that compound over time, keeping your digestive system strong and your body youthful. Whether it's walking in the park, doing light yoga at home, or simple stretches before bed, these small actions signal to your gut that it's supported. The result is smoother digestion, more energy, and a sense of vitality that helps older adults enjoy each day with strength and confidence. The state of your mind has a powerful influence on the state of your gut, and this connection becomes more important with age. Stress, worry, and constant negative thoughts can trigger imbalances in digestion, slow down the absorption of nutrients, and even create inflammation that makes you feel heavy and tired. When the body is under pressure, stress hormones interfere with the natural rhythm of the digestive system, leading to discomfort such as bloating, constipation, or indigestion. This is why cultivating a calm and positive mindset is just as essential for gut health as choosing the right foods. Taking time each day to pause, breathe deeply, and let go of unnecessary tension can restore balance in both mind and body. Simple practices such as meditation, prayer, journaling, or even sitting quietly with a few deep breaths can calm the nervous system and allow digestion to flow more smoothly. A mindset rooted in gratitude and positivity not only reduces stress, but also enhances the body's ability to heal itself. When you focus on the good in your life, your brain releases calming chemicals that help your gut function better, and in return, a balanced gut produces signals that lift your mood and create mental clarity. Older adults who nurture positivity often notice they have more energy, better sleep, and fewer digestive issues. Choosing joy, laughter, and peace is not just a mental exercise, it becomes a form of medicine for the gut. The more you protect your mind from negativity, the more resilient your digestion becomes. By training yourself to stay hopeful and lighthearted, you strengthen the inner harmony that connects mind, gut, and body, creating a cycle of wellness that keeps you active, youthful, and ready to embrace each day with strength and vitality. The small things you do every day have the greatest impact on your long-term health, and for seniors, these consistent habits create the difference between simply aging and truly thriving. Caring for your gut through simple daily practices leads to renewed energy, clearer thinking, and a body that feels lighter and more youthful. It's not about dramatic changes or difficult routines. It's about steady, intentional steps that build a foundation of wellness. Choosing nourishing foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and probiotic-rich options keeps digestion balanced and helps your body absorb the nutrients it needs. Drinking water throughout the day maintains hydration and allows the digestive system to work smoothly. These choices seem small, but when practiced consistently, they transform how you feel. Movement plays a key role as well. Whether it's walking, stretching, or a few minutes of light exercise, these actions signal to your gut and your body that you are committed to health. They support circulation, reduce stiffness, and give your digestion the rhythm it needs. Just as important as protecting your mindset. Stress and negativity can damage gut balance, but daily practices of gratitude, relaxation, and joy bring peace to the body and strength to the digestive system. The more you practice positivity, the more your gut responds with energy and balance. Consistency builds momentum. Each small habit may not seem like much in a single day, but over weeks and months, they add up to significant changes in vitality, strength, and resilience. Seniors who commit to these simple practices often find themselves more active, more youthful in spirit, and more confident in their health. is when your gut is supported by daily healthy habits, your entire body benefits, and you carry that energy into every part of life with strength and purpose.